Hi friends, welcome. Earlier we have seen how to get the scheme NAV on a most recent NAV based on the date. Now we'll learn how is my total investment. I will be holding multiple units of each scheme. So I have say 10 schemes are there. Then I have to sum it up of entire my investment across the 10 schemes and get my total investment. Against each scheme also I will get the scheme value by multiplying the number of units I hold and multiplied by the NAV. So that will give me the my scheme investment. So like that I will calculate the total investment. Earlier we have seen how to fetch this data by using API from the mutual fund database and get the data periodically or in a real time basis also we will get it. But now we will see how the investment we will get it, and this part we will learn now. Visit this URL. This is there in the description below. The earlier part 1, part 2, part 3 also we have discussed visualization part. Now we'll move to part 4. So here it is, the part 4, it is there. So portfolio tagging, your entire portfolio, what is the, here you can see how many units I hold. Here you will get it based on that the data totally. Here you can see that this is the code. Then after the code, the name and number of units hold is given here. So 3 schemes as a sample or example I have taken. So these are not the investment ideas. These are all the scheme names as a sample I am using to get it. Neither I have any knowledge on the investment point of view and all. So I am just technically how it can be faced. That's what I am discussing. So here is the scheme code. This is a sample only again, and the scheme name I have given, and here is the number of units. What I do is, you can see the formula here at the top. Current value is NAV multiplied by the units held. So this gives me the entire my investment, and that data I will get it. So if you want the source code, what you can do is visit this link. This link, once you click it, it will take you to the GitHub, and in the GitHub you will get open in Colab. So here is the Colab platform where we will be using our script to get the to get the total investment value. But note that you must, in the Colab platform, you must log into your own Google account to open this script in your platform, in your Colab platform. So let us just copy this code here. Let's move it here. Here it starts, import request, JSON. Then I will copy this up to this point. Copied it. I have some sample number of units also. All the samples are there. Let's go to the Colab. So here I am pasting this. You can see my scheme details are here. 3 scheme sample I have taken. Name I have given. Units held also is given here. So units, this is the based on the NAV multiplied it by number of units held. That will give me the total value of that scheme. Now 3 schemes are there. It will just sum it up and give me the total investment. Now let me just run this code. We will see the output. I am running this code. MP, yeah, here it is. The output you can see total investment value is this, and this is the particular scheme, NAV, number of units, total investment in that scheme. Then it is just summing it up these 3 and giving me a total investment value, what it is based on this, what is the, and note that this is the date is given. So this and this date, because the value keeps on fluctuating. Every day a new value comes, new NAV comes. So my investment are also changing accordingly. That's all friends. Hope you have enjoyed this 3-part series of tutorial on mutual fund investments. Note that this is just technical part only. You can apply your own scheme. Neither we are recommending anything here. All the scheme names are samples only. You can use your own scheme names and all to get the data. So we have finished this 3 part. Now we will carry this knowledge to our Kinter and other applications to create different apps using this knowledge. So if you have any idea, doubt, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.